Picking the right antenna early in your design is extremely important for saving time and money. Your antenna choice determines how quickly you can deploy your product and how well it works in the field. Will there be available coverage? What kind of power efficiency do I need? How much data will be moving through my product? Your first task will be to obtain certification. Cellular certifications like PTCRB require a device to meet gain and throughput specs. A great example of an IoT antenna is the Taoglas FXUB63 series flexible PCB antenna. It covers frequencies from 600 MHz through 3 GHz, including cellular, Wi-Fi, BLE, ISM, and AGPS frequencies. It can be used in many wireless applications. The connector is an IPEX MHF which is compatible with UFL. The PCB surface mount mates are small and rugged, helping you save valuable board space. This antenna is delivered with a flexible body and excellent efficiencies on all bands. Our engineers have decades of combined IoT experience and expertise in design, certification, and deployment of wireless applications and are available anytime to help you with antenna selection. Locate your nearest IoT local field sales engineer by visiting richardsonrfpd.com.